Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to fix that pesky debit card chip. If you're like me, you've probably swiped your card only to get that frustrating chip error message at the checkout. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. This is especially relevant in 2025, with more advanced chips and contactless tech, but the basics still apply. First off, let's quickly cover what a debit card chip is. It's that little square on your card, also known as an EMV chip, designed for secure transactions by encrypting your data. Common problems include the chip not reading due to dirt, wear and tear, or even static electricity. The good news? Many issues can be fixed at home without needing to rush to your bank. Step 1. Start with a simple clean. Gently use a soft, dry cloth or a cotton swab to wipe away any dust or grime on the chip. Avoid using water or alcohol, as that could damage the electronics. Test your card afterward. If it works, great. If not, move to step 2. Next, inspect for physical damage. Check if the chip is bent, cracked, or loose. If it's just minor, you might get by, but if it's damaged, don't try to fix it yourself. Head to step 3. Contact your bank or card issuer. In 2025, many banks have upgraded apps for instant support, so log in, report the issue, and they can often send a replacement quickly. Meanwhile, use contactless payment or the magnetic stripe on the back as a backup. A few prevention tips. Always store your card in a protective sleeve, avoid bending it, and keep it away from magnets or extreme temperatures. This will extend its life and save you headaches. There you have it. Fixing your debit card chip doesn't have to be a nightmare. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.